Alright guys, let's go and order the entire menu of Buffalo Wild Wings. I have a tray over here because we're gonna be ordering the entire menu. Let's go. Ilan po yung nasa menu niya? Orderin namin lahat na nasa menu. Possible po ba yun?
Yes, really.
Possible?
Yes, really everything.
Yes, even the drink? Even the drink?
Okay, orderin po namin lahat na nasa menu. Kaya po yun, ha?
Yes, really.
Grabe. Guys, ang dami na nasa menu. I don't know if that's possible, but just order the entire menu of Buffalo Wild Wings. Let's wait. Ang main food nila dito is wings. So they have boneless, traditional. Next is the entrees, ribs.
Steaks, fish and chips.
They have also burgers and sandwich. Of course, they have pizza. Dito na yung mga appetizer. It's here right in front of us.
Sobrang dami, guys.
Onion ring, calamares, ultimate nacho.
Wow! Ultimate!
Wow! Gutom na rin ako. Gusto ko na i-try. Try natin yung wings. Yan isa sa main food nila dito.
Sobrang beautiful. Nakilala sila sa wings.
I'll try the boneless one. Top. Margarita pizza, pepperoni pizza, ultimate cheese pizza, and Four Seasons pizza. Guys, nasa pizza pa lang kami. Busog na kami. Di ba busog? Oh my, dami ulam. Wow. Big Jack Daddy Burger.
Alfredo pasta.
Truffle pasta. Wow, sizzling. Ito na po ba lahat ng menu? This is the entire menu of Buffalo Wild Wings. Tignan natin yung mga best food nila dito.
Ako yan, sobrang lambot.
Solid, sarap. Grabe, busog. Our first dessert has arrived. It's called Brownie Alamon. And now it's time to rate.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it a good 10 kasi sobrang solid ng food nila. I-recommend ko siya sa iba. Alright guys, so meron tayong challenge. Cheese Bowl Showdown. Ayan. Saan? So meron tayong prize. Free small boneless small. Para prizes. Since sobrang dami naming in order, we're gonna bring this to the fam and to our friends. Once again, thank you to Buffalo Wild Wings from the Bistro Group. Peace out.